Hello and welcome back. This is Steve at Bucks Coins and welcome to a Christmas edition of In the Post. This makes this In the Post number 19. First of all, amongst all the things I've got this month, I've got 5 separate trade checker cards. There's Benjamin Bunny, there is the Brexit, Tom Kitten, the People Act, and Tom Kitten again. So those are those ones out of the way. They came with some stuff that's going to be shown in the next few minutes or so. First of all, the one I've been waiting an absolute... Oh, hang on, before we do that, I do like my stamps, and we have 2 extra stamps. We have one there from Canada, which I'll show you what that came off in a few time, and that one there is from France. So some nice stamps to go along with all the coins and what have you you're going to see in the next few minutes. The first one is a blue card. Let's just take that in a little bit. It's the Tutankhamun £5 coin. I will be doing a review of this in the next few days, and it will be part of the Christmas. It's 31 videos in 31 days. So this is one of those. He says. The next one I want to show you is here. It's from the Canadian Mint. This one's a little bit different, and again this one will be showing very shortly. And if we open it up, and let's just take it out so you can actually see. This is a Christmas coin. It is the 25 cents, sorry, the 50 cents, and it's a 3D coin from Canada, and that will be part of the pre-Christmas videos that you're going to see in the next few weeks, or next few days. Also, to be shown before the new year, I believe. Let me have a look at my list. Yes, these are after Christmas but before the new year. I have two videos. First one there is the 50p from the Popjoy Mint for the 25th anniversary of the death of Jacques Cousteau. I remember the TV series very well. He used to have a ship called the Calypso, if I remember rightly. This is a 1950 coin from the British Antarctic Territories. It's 1950, now that means 1950 in this format. I don't know if there's anything else or any of the whether it's been released singly. That's Jacques Cousteau. I also have here, let's get that up a little bit, this is the Antarctic series, or Antarctic Exploration series. This one here is the is it the James Cairn? I think it might be the James Cairn coin. I'll check that before I actually do the video, but that is another one that will be done prior to the new year, between Christmas and the New Year. of course, we have the brand new coin that's just come out. This is a brand new coin that's just come out. It's the coloured bunk from the Royal Mint of the Hogwarts Express. Again, we'll be showing that. We'll be doing a video about that over the Christmas period. I have also two snowmen, blue card snowmen from Change Checker. I have a 70th anniversary that I ordered, the platinum anniversary. I then have, it says, I have two copies, or two, of the 25 years of the £2 coin, the one with the 25 in the centre there when you tilt it in a certain angle. And we'll be looking at those as well between Christmas and New Year, I believe it is. Yep. In fact, it'll probably be New Year's Day, that one is penciled in for. We have also just recently received this one. This is the blue card £5 coin, latest in the rock series, rock group series, and that's the Rolling Stones. Now we're coming into territories of stuff that I haven't yet allocated a time slot to. A few weeks back, and this is the Canadian one, which is why I got all those Canadian stamps. This, I did the Millennium series coins, but there was over 2 years they had two sets. The first set was the 1999 set, which was what Canada was like in the recent past, which is what this set is. So you have 12 coins, one that was issued each month from January to December, which shows Canada as it was pre-millennium. The one I showed last time was the one for the year 2000, which looks to Canada's future. So that one will be coming shortly. It's not been allocated a time slot yet. Then we have a couple of coins from Monaco, which are both €2 and they're commemorative ones. There's one there that shows Albert and Grace Kelly, Rainier and Princess and Grace Kelly, and then there's this one which is the Peace Dove, and I think that's the UN one, or the equivalent thereof. Again, these will have a video that hasn't yet been allocated the time slot yet, and has yet to be recorded. And this one is a slightly couple of coins celebrating the life of Grace Kelly, or the Princess Grace of Monaco. This one is it's just got Europa on it, and it's from 2007 and says Monaco. So I think that's more like a token maybe, or a celebratory coin that was minted just in Monaco. However, this one here is the €2 coin, that is the Grace Kelly coin. This one has a very low mintage and went into circulation. So we'll be talking about both of those in another video. As you see, I'm going to be busy over the next few weeks. And I have a huge thank you to one of the people who view on my channel an awful lot, and they do a lot of commenting, which I'm very grateful for. This is a person called Captain Coin Man. Now, he asked for me to send him he saw a thing that I had where I had 21 1 rupee notes or 23 1 rupee notes, and said he'd love to have one for his collection. So I sent him one, not thinking anything of it, and I received this back in the post. It is a bag of, I think it's about 25 coins that have animals on them, so he said please use these to do a coin hunt. I will be doing, it'll be sometime early in the new year. I do have some of my own, but I'll put this to the front of the queue so I can say thank you to Captain Coinman with the video. Okay, that ends this in the post series for today. There's an awful lot of coins here. Quite a few of them I've been waiting for to do videos to go to the 31 days in December, the challenge I set myself. I think there's probably about half of these coins will be going into that. Well, I hope you've enjoyed this video of In the Post video, the special Christmas edition. If you've enjoyed it, please would you give me the thumbs up. It doesn't cost you any money, and if you haven't yet subscribed, I would love to see you around for my ongoing journey through coins, banknotes, militaria and collectibles. However, to everybody else, all the other coin people out there, the coin tubers, thank you for reading the Christmas post, viewing this Christmas post. If you're having a hunt, I hope you find the coins that you're looking for. If you're buying coins, wherever you're buying them from, I hope you can get them at the price you want to pay. And in the meantime, until we meet up again on this channel, from me, thank you for viewing, and bye bye. Ta-da now.